I was asked by some of my friends what did you find the easiest way to get 4, 5, 6, 7, even 21% moisture into a batch? And what I'm about to show you is the way I do it. I think it's the easiest way. Let me get this mill jar emptied out and get my bone meal media sorted and everything, and we'll get on with the project. Well, I got the mill jar emptied out. This is 2,000 grams of comp. There's 140 grams of metal in there, so it's actually 1,860 grams of comp that I want to wet 6%, because I'm going to press this into stars. And 6% of 1860 is 112 grams. I got all that comp in this baggie, and I just take 112 grams of water and I dump it in. I try to get out as much air as I can. And you just work it in until you can't feel liquid, and it's pretty much almost like clods, not balls or whatever inside the baggie. Then you can take it out of this bag and finish screening it, and you'll have a nice homogenized mix of the water with the comp. And then you can load up your star plates and start pressing. She's all mixed up, and I'm just going to start screening it out. I'm going to keep this up until I get this whole thing screened and mixed in. On down to the last little bit in the baggie. You can see how we picked up all the water into the comp and everything. The baggie's pretty much clean, and I'll save and use that for another day. Get this screened out, but these lumps and everything off the first screening, they get into fine, and we got 2 more screenings, and we'll have a nice intimate moisture content in this star comp. Well, I got through it once. There's what the first screening, what it looks like. And now all we got to do is just screen it again. It gets easy now because the lumps are all gone. Now basically we're just working it back and forth just to make sure we get the moisture worked in. I kind of like spooning it out and try to get comp from different areas where I kind of keep stuff stirred up. Remember when they used to give these ice cream scoops away for free? You just had some kind of, I don't know, it was a Tupperware party, I can't remember what it was. I fell in love with these things years ago. Well, I'm going to finish screening the rest of this out, and I'll show you a peek at the third go around. Well, here it is, the third screening, all nice and mixed. Took me 35 minutes for 2,000 grams of comp with 6% moisture. I even do this with my black powder and stuff. Start out with 20% moisture and then use a mister to add a little bit of heat after that. Let's see what this stuff will press up like. And I never have been one that sit there and let it dwell and stuff. I kind of look at it once the dextrin's wet, it's active and stuff, and no sense of letting the comp sit around for a day. I've tried it before and I notice I've lost moisture and my stars don't come out near as hard. And this little cookie sheet right here, this guy right here is a handy little cookie sheet. I'll show you in just a second. There we go. I got the press already set. I'm gonna stomp on this 1,000 psi. And there's some nice buttered popcorn stars. Let them dry and load up a shell. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.